we could start back in prehistory. So when this Middle Island Creek, it went around this nice channel about 3.5 miles, and it came almost back to itself. So eventually smart people said, you know what, we could harness the energy of this and make a mill right here. But the river said, you know, that's a great idea, let's just always go this way. So it eroded through this channel, the opening that you can now see. And through the decades, through the centuries, people have tried to fix it back, but we never fully restored flow to its original channel until now. This will keep the water at base flow going around the original channel, but we specially designed it so that it would be safe and sustainable during high flows. In big flows, it does go over this, and it would amount to being a low head dam, which are very dangerous. With the low head dam, there's like a hydraulic that occurs just downstream of the dam, and it'll suck you in and keep you there. Our consultants had this great idea. They've done this before on low head dams in Ohio, and they built these big steps. And so what that does is it dissipates the energy as it goes, and also makes it so that there's not any one drop that's big enough to trap a person. This eliminates the shuttle. So you put in and take out at about the same place. All right, we're doing it. This is super handy. I would highly recommend it. The Jug inaugural float trip. There was only one bad strainer, and the guys from DNR cleared that for us. So we launched right beyond that concrete, those stairs that you see, right beyond there, and we went 3.5 miles, and we came out right here. So in 3.5 miles, it went 40 meters. It is going to be a worthwhile thing. I think it's going to be helpful for the community and for folks that like to come and fish. You know, I'm told Middle Island Creek is a great fishery. There's giant fish in here, apparently. I hope I don't encounter one today. So the work that was done by the DNR, mostly their initiative, Highway Department coming alongside because we can do contracting and we can get things built, work together. It took a long time. You know, as the Chief of Environmental Compliance, I'm glad that we can help kind of fix something. We need to be stewards of the land that we live on. You know, our families are here, we raise them, we want to have clean water to drink, we want to have places where we can recreate, hunt and fish and all that.